This is my gold play button. YouTube gave me this award for reaching 1 million subscribers. Just kidding, it's not real. I don't have 1 million subscribers yet. This is my silver play button award. YouTube gives you this when you reach 100,000 subscribers. Now, this is fake too. Funny story. For years, I wasn't part of YouTube's partner program, which means I didn't get paid by YouTube to have ads on my channel. And when I hit 100,000 subscribers, YouTube didn't send me a silver play button award because I wasn't in their partner program. And I was pissed, so I went on Etsy and made a fake one. Then later, when I had around 150,000 subscribers, I learned that YouTube doesn't promote channels very much that aren't in the partner program, which totally makes sense. If they don't make money running ads on my channel, why would they promote my videos in the algorithm? So I turned on ads and YouTube sent me a real silver play button. So now I have a fake one and a real one. The truth is, I just hit 400,000 subscribers. Only 600,000 more until I get a real gold play button award. In case you're wondering what that equates to in revenue, currently YouTube pays me about $30,000 to $35,000 a month, or around $400,000 a year in ad revenue. Now, if you know anything about YouTube, you should be super impressed. Here's why. Advertisers pay YouTube to run ads on their videos, and then YouTube shares that ad revenue with creators. So YouTubers get paid for each view on their channel. But rates vary across geographies, demographics, and even industries. For example, advertisers will pay a lot more to run ads on a real estate investing channel like mine than, let's say, a photography channel that broke college kids are watching. On average, across all industries, YouTubers make between $3 and $5 per 1,000 views. Now, this is called RPM, and check it out. My channel earned on average over the past year $45 per 1,000 views. That means I'm earning 10 times more in ad revenue per 1,000 views than most YouTubers. But here's the thing. Even though my channel has one of the highest RPM rates, and even though YouTube currently writes me a check for $400,000 a year, that's not why I do it. In fact, I wouldn't do anything different on my channel, and I would continue releasing videos every week, even if YouTube didn't pay me a dime in ad revenue. Remember, I didn't even turn on ad revenue until I was over 150,000 subscribers. The reason why I would still make videos even without ad revenue is because ad revenue is my smallest source of income from YouTube. I actually make millions more from YouTube, and it's not from affiliates, it's not from brand deals or sponsorships or endorsements, and it's not from selling merchandise. That's what everyone else tries to do. I make millions a year from YouTube from my real estate software and education company, Flipping Mastery. Between my software, mentor programs, finder programs, and funding companies, I own and operate a thriving 8-figure a year company, and about half of all sales generated come directly from organic YouTube videos on my channel. And that's not even including real estate deals. But here's the part that's flipping genius and why it works so well for me. I don't sell training. I don't sell a how-to or a home study course. Never will you hear me say in my videos, here's step 1 and 2, but if you want steps 3, 4, and 5, buy my course. I don't give the barn away for free, then sell you the farm. In fact, I give my entire advanced training course on flipping houses for free. Just go to 8weekacademy.com. Not selling training is significant because it allows me to not hold anything back and give away everything for free on my channel. Look, I'm really good at wholesaling and flipping houses, one of the best. I've been doing it for almost 20 years, and because I don't sell training, I don't have to hold anything back. So I reveal exactly how I make millions a year flipping houses on my channel. And it's not just the information that's so valuable. I also give away dozens of resources for free. Now, if you go to the description of my videos, you'll see over 45 download links to tools, scripts, guides, contracts, and so on, all 100% free. My goal is to give my viewers so much value for free that they can be wildly successful wholesaling and flipping houses just for my content alone and free resources. I get comments like this every single day. Jerry, I just received my wire transfer for my first deal of $25,000 using all your methods. This will change my life, and I just want to say thank you for all of the content you put out. There is no way I would have been able to do this deal with zero out of pocket if it wasn't for this channel. Or this comment. Been watching your videos for months. You taught me each and everything I need to know about wholesaling real estate. You saved me tons of money, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm closing my first deal this Friday and getting a nice $15,000 check. So then, if my viewers want software to help organize, streamline, and automate their business, they can get my software Flipster. If they want to submit deals to me where I'll pay them $10,000 for every deal that fits my criteria, they can join my Finder program, 10K Club. If they want to use my transactional funding for double closing wholesale deals, they can join my 100% funding program. And if they want one-on-one coaching to help build a 6 and even 7-figure business even faster, they can join my Fast Track Mentor program. My philosophy is here's the entire farm with all the barns included and everything you need to successfully run the farm. But if you want a combine tractor to increase production and do it faster and better and more profitable, I can sell you the best combine in the market. And how well does this model work? Well, just from my videos alone, I generate 10,000 downloads monthly for my free resources. And of my 8 figures in annual revenue from my paid programs, like I said, about half of that revenue comes from organic traffic from my YouTube videos. For me, it's a dream business. I get the opportunity to help thousands of people be successful with my videos and resources for free, and I also get to help thousands more be successful with my paid software and programs. If you think that's brilliant, leave a comment and say, Jerry, you're a flipping genius. One final thought. All said and done, after creating over 1,000 long-form videos, I've learned, at least for me, that it's the content that accounts for 95% of success on YouTube. I painstakingly create my videos. I pour my heart and soul into my content. My videos are relevant, they're concise, and they're no filler and no fluff. I carefully plan how to teach the concepts and strategies in the most effective way possible, and I even provide hands-on learning where you can watch me do the business live on many of my videos. Audio, lighting, and good editing matter, but not nearly as much as most people think. And I've gotten to 400,000 subscribers and make millions on YouTube with less than $1,000 in equipment. I literally self-record my videos in my home office with a Canon Rebel camera on a tripod and a Sennheiser lav with a loom light. That's it. And I personally edit about half of my long-form videos. That means no recording studio, no fancy equipment, and no team of videographers or editors. Although I finally just bought a new camera, a Sony a7 III, which it's not even the newest version. Nothing wrong with a fancy setup. My point is, you don't need an expensive setup. What you need is valuable content delivered in a way that people can consume and apply the information, and then a really well thought out and brilliantly executed business model. That's what matters. Honestly, YouTube has been one of the most time-intensive and difficult things I've ever done, but it's also been extremely rewarding. Thank you for your support and encouragement, and remember, knowledge is power, but knowledge without action is useless. What is the point of learning if it doesn't change the way you act, think, or live your life? Think on that, and I'll see you on the next video.